It is my pleasure to talk to you all on a very special day to engineering fraternity. That is Engineers Day, which is celebrated today on 15th of September every year in our country. Year 2020 will mark the 52nd anniversary of Engineers Day in India and 159th birthday anniversary of Sir Mokshagundam Visvesvaraya, born on September 1861. Sir MV was internationally popular for his brilliance and his great achievements in harnessing water resources in India. It is also important to know that all over the world Engineers Day is celebrated on different dates. Sir Visvesvaraya went on to become India's most prolific civil engineer, dam builder, economist and statesman. He was one of the most prominent builders of India in the 20th century. Sir Visvesvaraya was a Diwan of Mysore from 1912 to 1980. He transformed the states into what was then known as a modern state. For his numerous industrial, economical and social projects, he was called father of modern Mysore. Likewise, we can go on telling about his achievements. Now, coming to today's scenario, we are able to see lot of building failures in the city, in the country. Non-appointment or non-involvement of engineers in the construction project. Simply those buildings could be termed as non-engineered buildings or due to the negligence of engineers involved in the project. These could be the two reasons for any building. First, we will take the case which is in the absence of a civil engineer in the project. Many think that though you haven't studied civil engineering, experience is sufficient to build a safe building, and even many think that for doing a building construction, a proper civil engineering education is not necessary, since the work is executed using uneducated or non-technical people like masons and other laborers. Common public thinks that a mason with 10 or 20 years of experience know what a civil engineer knows. They don't know how much mathematical calculations and science are involved in constructing a building. It is very important to follow the procedures and guidelines mentioned in our IS course. You cannot expect a person who has not studied civil engineering the importance of engineering calculations and procedures to build a safe, sound and economical construction. Coming to the second point, engineering negligence is a crime. As engineers, we have to be responsible. We have to be a responsible person in building our nation. As civil engineers, it is our responsibility to make our public realize our importance and responsibility in the construction activity. And without civil engineers, no dream can be made real in this world. The true meaning for celebrating Engineers Day will come when all the construction activities are done with the involvement of engineers in the country or rather this world. Thank you so much and happy Engineers Day. Thank you.